The greatest medicine of all is to teach people how not to need it. Namaste. I am Alisha Thaba, a public health graduate from Nepal. At its core, public health is concerned with promoting and protecting the health of population. And when it comes to our health, prevention is always better than cure. The current COVID-19 global pandemic has already affected 210 countries and territories around the world and is still rapidly spreading. Coronavirus disease 2019, also known as COVID-19, is an infectious disease caused by severe acute respiratory syndrome coronavirus 2. First identified in December 2019 in Wuhan, China, the disease went on to infect more population in different countries and was declared a public health emergency of international concern on 30th January 2020. The COVID-19 virus primarily spreads through droplets generated when an infected person coughs or sneezes, or through droplets of the saliva or discharges from the nose. Transmission may also occur through contact with objects used by the infected person or with surfaces in the immediate environment. Since there is no specific treatment and no vaccine has been developed against this virus, the best possible way for us to combat it is to adopt the preventive measures.
Wash your hands frequently and thoroughly with soap and water, or apply an alcohol-based hand sanitizer. While washing your hands, wet your hands with clean water and apply enough soap. Lather your hands by rubbing them together with the soap. Rub the back of your hands, between your fingers, and under your nails. Scrub your hands for at least 20 seconds. Then rinse your hands well with clean water. Dry your hands using a clean towel or air dry them. If you are using hand sanitizer, apply the gel product to the palm of one hand and rub the hands together. Rub the gel all over the surfaces of your hands and fingers until your hands are dry. This should take around 20 seconds. Cover nose and mouth while coughing or sneezing with a tissue or flexed elbow. Throw away the used tissue immediately. Don't touch the eyes, nose or mouth with unclean hands. Avoid close contact with anyone coughing, sneezing or having flu-like symptoms. Make sure to use a mask. If you're going outside, always wear a mask. Cover your nose and mouth properly and make sure there are no gaps between your face and the mask. While removing the mask, always remove it from behind. When you meet someone, instead of shaking hands or hugging each other, do a namaste instead. Regularly disinfect the light switches, door handles, doorknobs, and other surfaces which are frequently touched. If you're having a fever, cough, or difficulty in breathing, maintain distance from others and call a healthcare provider.